Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another car vlog. I don't know why I keep doing these videos. I think it's just easier for me to film in this way because I don't have to deal with the pups at home and I don't have proper lighting at my house right now. We let a friend borrow our studio lights because his girlfriend wants to become a YouTuber, so I was all about supporting that. So anyways, in today's video I kind of want to do like a part 2 to my fall decor preview video that I did a few weeks back as a collaboration with Autumn First Babe. I'll link that video down below if you want to check it out. I have seen online that Michaels and Joann's and Bath and Body Works have started to actually put out real fall decor, not the pre-fall kind of stuff. So we'll see. Right now I'm at Michaels and I actually went to Hobby Lobby today and I bought a few things. I did a haul video and there's like a second half to that video. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. But I had to kind of get cute, I guess, today because I went to my brother's birthday brunch. Not brunch, it was like an early dinner, late lunch. And yeah, I might buy something while I'm out. I really want to treat myself, you guys. This is completely unrelated to the video, but I am so proud of myself. I've just finished month 3 of my health, fitness, weight loss journey, and I'm pretty sure I'm down 30 pounds from when I started, which is amazing. I'm so happy. I have a long way to go, but I'm so happy about it. And I have been on point this weekend. Last night we went and got Mexican food. My boyfriend Jose ate rice, beans, tortillas, chips, all of that in front of me. I didn't have any of it. And then today I went to Olive Garden with my family and I didn't have any breadsticks. I didn't have the croutons in the salad. I didn't have any pasta. And then we went back to my parents and my mom made a homemade strawberry shortcake, which is the best, you guys, and I didn't have a piece. So I'm really proud of myself and I kind of want to treat myself to maybe some fall decor if there's anything that looks like it might fly off the shelves and I want to get my hands on it now, even though it's not on sale. We'll see. So I'm sitting in front of Michael's, fingers crossed they have some new stuff. Let's go inside. I'm so ready for fall. It's 91 degrees. I'm done with summer. Been done with summer. Summer can just move right along. Next, please. Okay, I'm rambling. I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, you guys, that was awesome to see that fall decor at Michael's. They only had like half of an aisle, one side of an aisle with fall decor. It was traditional decor, so I have a feeling they'll probably bring like a neutral side to the other side of that aisle. But so exciting to see. I saw some stuff that I have seen other places like Dollar Tree, so maybe we'll do a Dollar Tree dupes for Michael's if you guys are wanting to see that. You guys really liked my Hobby Lobby one. So yeah, now I'm gonna head to Joann's. My phone is dying, sadly, but I want to do this. And by the way, I didn't buy anything. There wasn't anything there that I absolutely needed. So maybe at Joann's we'll find something, or maybe Bath and Body Works. It's probably most likely that I'll get something at Bath and Body Works. We'll see. By the way, in case I get any questions, because I did get questions when I posted like this, I was wearing this scarf on my Instagram stories. This is from Amazon. My necklace is from Amazon. My dress is from Amazon. I'm an Amazon girl. So I'll have it all linked below. Let's head to Joann's. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. So Joann's was lit. Litty City, as the children would say. I love their vibe this year. It's very like, it's cozy. It's traditional sort of, but it's minimalistic. It's like almost like a modern traditional. I know that's an oxymoron, but love their vibes. I kind of want to go a little bit in that direction, but I want it to feel I don't know, I'm kind of all over the place. I definitely want to do traditional colors though. So that was awesome. Of course, I hear this all the time when I'm looking at fall decor in summertime. Someone will walk by and make a comment. So as I was looking and filming, a girl and her partner, boyfriend, husband, I don't know, walked in and she was like, it's not even the 4th of July. Why is there fall out? And like, I didn't make eye contact with him, but I could tell he was kind of like, she could probably hear you talking about me. And like after they like walked past me, he's like, yeah, I totally agree. I'm like, okay, whatever. Haters gonna hate, aren't they? They always do, right? So now we're across the street from the mall, which has a Bath and Body Works, and I saw in a video, I don't know his name, but his channel name is Tina Devalicious, and he seems like he might kind of be Bath and Body Works encyclopedia of YouTube. Like, he knows the business, you guys. And I was watching his, what I think is his latest video, and he says that Bath and Body Works are gonna start having candles, fall candles, as soon as right now. He said his store has them. So that kind of throws a wrench in my plan to go to Columbus for the test candles. It's not that I'm personally like so excited to get testing scents or the scents that may fail test. I just went last year because I wanted fall candles, and I live and breathe and die for fall. Okay? But if they're gonna be in the stores, even if they're old scents, maybe I don't need to make that trip. I don't know. So anyways, I'm rambling. Let's head into Bath and Body Works and wrap this up. Fingers crossed we see some pumpkin cupcakes, some vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, some pumpkin apple. I don't know, anything. All right, I'll see you guys in there. Okay, wow. I could not believe that there were really fall candles at Bath and Body Works. That was so exciting, although the candles that I wanted were not there. I really wanted to see pumpkin cupcake, and I wanted to see vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, but I'm sure those will be returning. I actually think I saw on Facebook, or not Facebook, Instagram, that they are. But yeah, there was a decent selection. They even had some really good scents, like pumpkin peanut brittle. I was actually shocked to see blueberry maple pancakes and pumpkin peanut brittle out on the shelves just nationwide, and so early, because I think Bath and Body Works kind of thrives off of the anticipation from us, the consumers. Is that candle gonna come back next year? I hope they don't discontinue it. Sometimes they even like hold out. Like last year they held out to release Cider Lane because that's a fan favorite, and everybody was like, just, you know, they were just holding out, and I think they do that for the hype. And so that's why I was shocked to see pumpkin peanut brittle and blueberry maple pancakes. So anyways, I saw one fall candle holder, not quite my style, but cool to see accessories coming out as well. This is the earliest that Bath and Body Works has ever put out fall, I think, as long as I've been into them. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this kind of sneak peek to the fall decor. I will be doing dedicated shop with me videos at all of these stores when they get their full selection of fall in. And if you guys want to see me go to your favorite store, leave a comment below which store you want to see me go to, and I will happily go there if it is in my area. And yeah, thank you for spending some time with me, and I will catch you guys in a future video. Bye now.